Hello, today we're going to make chicken souvlaki, which is chicken kebab. This is made in the oven, it's moist, succulent, and hopefully you'll love it. You will need 2 diced chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of yoghurt, 2 sprigs of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 cup of water. 1 onion chopped, 1 pepper chopped, and 5 garlic cloves cut into pieces. Add the vinegar to the chicken, add the rosemary, the spices, and the yogurt. Mix everything together. Add some water if the yogurt is very thick. The chicken will absorb this and it will become even more tender. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for 20 minutes to 1 hour at least. When you take it out of the fridge, add a tablespoon of olive oil and mix. When ready to assemble, start with 1 pepper, followed by an onion, followed by a piece of garlic, followed by chicken, and repeat until all ingredients are used. Once everything is done, add some salt. We do this now so that the moisture doesn't leave the chicken. Cook for 25 minutes on 180 fan or 200 regular. Serve this with salad, chips, dips, whatever you like. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.